Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, December the 12th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Killer Sudoku and a regular binary puzzle. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Yeah, yesterday we have no additional. Today we have an additional, and we have here an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, Sudoku with 2 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, and 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Yes, in the evening. But first, these 2 regular puzzles, a binary and a killer Sudoku. News of today. Well, I saw the news on the TV. Well, in Turkey, the president of a club, a soccer club, has hit the referee. Knock out. Yes, knock out on TV. Yes, on a field. Yes. So shocking news because the competition in Turkey stopped, and the president is of the club is in prison. So yeah, shocking news. Yeah, the referee is in the hospital, broken eye, I believe. Saw that on TV. Never happened this before. Anyway, let's continue with the puzzles. Puzzle number 7605. Yes. 7605. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 37 printed digits. And it's a 12 by 12 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 6 O's and 6 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here. Oh, I bumped the camera. Apologies. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And we have here a double O. Here one, there one. Right. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the 1s comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Let me see. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between the 1s comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. And between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Well. We have here an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, and sixth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Alright. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. If we place number 6 there, the sixth 1, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rows, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1, so this box should be a 1 then. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, correct. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1, so the rest are O's. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Double 1, here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Double 1, here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Okay, and now, need to think. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here, no, there, no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1, here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's, so the rest are 1s. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Ay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Where's the opening? Yeah. Need to compare, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is the opening? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place here in the 6. Here in the 6. I cannot place. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know which order. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. I'm thinking. I'm stuck now. I'm stuck. Need to think. Pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 1 here, here, or there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 1. Here, or there. Here 1. Here, or there. No, let me compare. Can I compare this column with a double O here? Well, no double O's. How about the rows? Here we have a double 1 here. No. Well. The first row, yeah. And this row. Sorry. 1. Empty box, 1. 1. So we need to switch these two digits. I cannot place here the O, otherwise we will have identical rows. Not allowed, one of the rules. So we have here an O, so this should be a 1 then. We have 1 here, this should be an O then. Okay. Now we have a double 1 here. Here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. If I place the 6th O there, then we have 4 1s in a row in the second row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. If I place number 6 here, the 6th O, then we still have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be an O, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there 1. Double 1 here, no there no. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double O here, 1 there 1. Here we have a double 1. Here no there no. Double O here, 1 there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1 there 1. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Completed in 30 minutes. We solve it again. Only one time comparing. Yes, need to compare the first and the fourth row. Yeah. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.